Hey guys, Sunshine, here in my hands today I have my July Medusa's makeup box to unbox with you guys. I love the print on this one. It's so summery, so super cute. Okay, so I'm gonna scooch forward because I realized that I'm really far back. But if you have never heard of Medusa's makeup, it is a vegan and cruelty-free makeup subscription box. All of the products that they offer in their box come from their makeup brand. So let's see what's inside. I love some of the products I get in here. I love the lip glosses and the eyeshadow singles we get. So on the back of this card, we'll have all of the information of the products that we get inside this month's box, but I'm not gonna go ahead and sneak peek that information. We're gonna see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing that I have found is this cruelty-free and vegan mask, Grapefruit Whitening Glowing Facial Mask. I love the packaging. That is so summery. I am not the biggest fan, actually, I'll be straight up. I can't stand the smell of grapefruit. So I honestly have a pile of stuff for like giveaways in the future, slash piles of stuff that I give to family and friends. But I think that is like the first time that I've ever received a mask in my Medusa's makeup box. So that's something super different. And then here in my hands is the rest of the products that we got inside of the July box. I do kind of feel like this is a little bit lighter than what we normally get. Like I feel like there's not as much stuff, but maybe it's just because the products in here are smaller than the products that we normally get in the other boxes. So that's just my input, but we'll go ahead and read the back of the card before this video ends. So this is the Medusa's Makeup 100% Maracuja oil. So I don't know what this does. The bottle is cute. I love the pattern on the bottom. It says anti-aging, dry skin, dry scalp and hair, acne and general skincare, rich in vitamin C. So it says cold pressed and refined. I hope that the card has a little bit more information about what this does, because I'm not really aware. It does say maracuja oil, and then it says in parentheses passion fruit seed oil, and then it says the origin is from Brazil. So cool skincare item in here. We got 2 skincare items and healthy skin during the summer, so you don't have to wear makeup because it is so hot. It is so hot today. So I definitely would love to like wipe all this up, jump in some cold water. But I have all of these exciting boxes to unbox with you guys today, so that's what we're doing instead. Okay, the next thing that I have in here is this Wet n Wild, a Wet n Wild eyeshadow single in shade Nutty. Do you know how I feel like it's been so long since I've even like had the brand name Wet n Wild pass into my head? That's crazy. I remember when they were coming out with all of those big boxes that you could buy. It was like a themed kit for like $40, and it was like the collection. I don't know if they're still doing that. I hope that they do, because it's been a while, and they used to come out like the mermaid one was really cool and the goth one was really cool. So maybe I just need to like, I haven't been in the beauty community. I have not been involved in the beauty community, so that's why I may have not heard of it, but we got that, so that's cool. And then the last thing we have in here is this Medusa's Makeup Beach Bum Frosted Blush. So I'm gonna pop this open and we're gonna see what is inside. Oh, that's really, really bright. Actually, I don't know if this is the same shade, but I feel like this is very similar to a shade that I got a few months ago. It was this bright pink blush, and I personally, this is too bright for my skin, so this is just something I would use to either top off a lip gloss or for eyeshadow. So that is everything inside of this month's Medusa's makeup box. I'm gonna be straight, guys. I'm not impressed. I feel like this box is really, really light. I do not feel like this is worth $15. But before I go off and like give my opinion, we're gonna read in here. So the featured brand for this month is Wet n Wild. It says that this is $4.99. I don't know. I can get these at the dollar store, so gonna come back though. The Sweet Cheeks Frosted Blush is our newest line of fade-free, long-wearing soft blushes that universally benefit all skin types. The retail value of this is $13. The backed by popular demand 100% maracuja oil is vegan multitasking powerhouse for maracuja seeds that promotes firmer, brighter, and smoother looking skin. Maracuja oil will help to balance and nourish all skin types, including oily and acne prone skin. Okay, I have that. It's $14.99 for that. I don't know that much about skincare, so I'm not going to say anything about that one. However, I do feel like it's exciting to get a skincare item that I feel like can really help my skin. And then the Grapefruit face mask has a retail value of $4.99. The total box value is $37.97. Okay, so I just flew through my makeup collection and I can't seem to find the other frosted, I can't seem to find the other one of these that I was thinking about that looked very similar to this shade. So I can't say that I definitely received that or had that same exact shade. However, I do remember receiving a blush that was very, very close to this color. So I've received Medusa's makeup for a while. I'm usually very impressed. I'm not with this month. I do feel like some of the items are a little bit overpriced. I feel like this, I've seen Wet n Wild. I've bought Wet n Wild at the dollar store and Rite Aid for like less than $1 or $2. I used to have a bunch of these. I bought them between like 99 cents to $2.99, just depending on where I bought it from. So I'm not saying that it doesn't cost that. I just don't feel familiar with that pricing that matches with that brand. And I don't know, I just don't feel wowed by this month's box, but I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. Do you have a favorite item in this month's box? If so, what is it? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.